Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Vital and in this video we discuss about the negative and positive thinking about your teacher, boss or leader. This is our topic right now, that the negative thinking about your teacher, boss or leader. This is very common thing that for students the negative and positive thinking about teacher, for an employee the negative and positive thinking about the higher authorities or the boss or the manager or the person who is the higher in position than him or her. So this one is a very common thing for the employees, students and for for any kind of worker. Okay, so the question is that what are the negatives and positive thinking about the boss, leader or your teachers, and what are the effects of thinking negative about the teacher and boss or leader. So these points I want to clear in this video. So let's see this video and watch this video till the end. I am requesting you that watch this video till this end, because this video is very important to you and I think you learn something from this video. So try to watch this video till the end of the video. So let's start our discussions. And first you say the negative and positive thinking in our life. Positive thinking is a good point and negative thinking is bad point. Suppose we take an example. You are working in a company. You as a employee, you are working in a company X, and when you are working in the company X, one day your boss is calling you to his chamber to say you that your work is very good, your performance is very good and he is appreciating your work. That time you are means this is a general meeting, just your boss or your teacher calling you to meet him or her, because your boss want to appreciate your work or your performance and give you some tip, and boss try to give you some tips or some suggestions. In this way you can improve your next performance, or next time you can do more better job. So you understand this thing, that your boss calling you in a meeting, or your teacher is calling you in a meeting, or your leader is calling you in a meeting, and in that time boss is defining you that your job is appreciable to me and you are doing a very great job and your performance level is very good, and boss trying to say that in the next time when you go for doing the same job, how can you improve your performance well, means how can you improve your performance in the next time. So boss is trying to say that follow these tips and suggestions in the next time when you try to work in this field, or in the field that you are decided to work. So that time you can find a better result if you use these tips and suggestions. And after this matter the meeting is over, means boss is just saying you the greetings that you are doing a great job and giving you some tips and suggestions for improvement of your performance. So you are returned back because meeting is over. Right now you have two kinds of thinking that will come to your mind. One thing is positive thinking, another is negative thinking. Positive thinking, that you can say at first we discuss about the negative thinking. Negatively, like you can think about that, look at this boss, disgusting boss, have no knowledge but still give me the suggestions, still give me suggestions that do work in this way, still give me tips that do work in this way. I don't need any tips, I don't need any suggestions, but boss is trying to give me give me more suggestions and tricks. Why? Boss does not need to give this to me, he has no knowledge. And tomorrow if I go for any purpose in that office, I will strictly say to the boss that what are the meaning of this, I don't want any suggestion from you, why you are giving these suggestions, you know I am already doing very well job, so your suggestion is nothing to me. Okay, so this is the negative thinking about that meeting. You are negatively thinking about your boss, your teacher and your leader, that he do not need to give me any suggestions, I have enough suggestions, I have enough knowledge in this field, I don't need any suggestion. This is the negative thinking. So right now we have to know what are the positive thinking after this meeting. After this meeting you can think about the meeting as that, yes, boss appreciate my work, it's a great thing, I cannot say that what I'm feeling now, it's a great thing that someone is appreciating my job and someone is appreciating my working or my task, so this one is pleasing me, and boss is giving me some tips and suggestions that are very important to me, because in the next time I use the suggestions and tricks that are given by my boss or teacher, and next time I can make a more better performance in my work. So this meeting is a very important meeting, because boss giving me some important tips and suggestions that are very important to me, because boss is an experienced person, he is in that chair because of its experience, because of the hard working. So according to him, the tips that are according to him, he told me these all tips or all suggestions that he directed to me are very important to me, because after all he overcame all the hurdles that are coming in his life and in his or her life, and after that he is now in that position and leading position. So for me, the discussions about the how to improve your performance more is a very important thing, and I like to give thank you to my boss and teacher to guide me and to give me suggestion and tips that I can use and that have positive effects on me. So in the next day I will definitely come to the office of my boss or teacher to give him thank you, that yes sir, you are my real boss, you are my real leader who directed me, and thank you very much for your suggestions. Now I'm just giving you the example of the negative thinking and positive thinking about the meeting and about the advice of the boss, about the advice and the guidance of the boss. I'm telling you what are the negative and positive thinking about this meeting. Now if you are positive in thinking, then what are the effects, and if you are in negative thinking, then what are the effects. If you are in positive thinking, you you can make a better relationship with your boss. Okay, if you think that your boss is giving you a good idea, giving you some good suggestions and tricks, and after all he is experienced person, his suggestion and experience are very important to me, then you are getting right, means the right benefits of the positive thinking. You are getting the benefits of the positive thinking. Your relationship with boss or teacher will become more stronger. Okay, and with this your promotions, your next work, your next performance will increase, because you are connecting with the positive channel, you are thinking with the positive channel, and your positive your positive communication, your positive thinking will give you means more success position, will give you more towards the will give you more more successful one. So these are the effects of positive thinking about this meeting. But the negative thinking, if you think negatively, that I stated that he is a bad person and always give advice to the each people, but we don't need to don't need to hear his advice. He is just trying to give us pressure and have a bad means have a bad communication with the employees, etc. Then what will come? You cannot adjust with your boss, you cannot adjust with your teacher. As a result, what happens? Your promotions, your next performance, everything will be decreased, and as a result your career, in your career you can find some hurdles. Whatever the knowledge that you have, it is not sure that you may find some hurdles, but the possibility of facing hurdles becoming more. So for this reason, these are need to be eliminated from your mind. Negative thinking should be eliminated from your mind, because if you think about positively something about this meeting, then what is the bad thing? Okay, everything is okay. This is positive one. Think it positively, then nothing will happen. Okay, so and one point is very important, that we need to find the positive point in everything. Everything has some positive points, not all the points are negative points. So for every points, we do not need to find the negative one or negative cases or negative about anyone, about boss, your leader or teacher. Don't need to think negatively, think positively. And if boss give you some negative ideas, then a different thing, because all teachers, all bosses are not good. They will do that. I don't say that all the bosses and all the teachers or all the leaders are good. They all behave good with their employees or students, or their means junior to them, all the persons junior to them. I don't say that they are all right every time, but if they are right, if we consider your boss and your teacher is right one, in that time, yeah, this positive and negative thinking, I'm trying to explain the positive and negative thinking about that boss and teacher or leader, and what are the effects of thinking negatively and positively about your boss, leader and teacher. And this is the discussion. It is finished. I am trying to say you about this point, that what are the positive and negative thinking about the boss, teacher or higher authorities, or higher a person who is higher in position than you, or a person who is commending you. So these are the some situations that of the positive thinking and negative thinking, and I'm trying to clearing this thing. So that's it. And if you find that this video is giving you some ideas, giving you some confidence, helping you to remove your negative thinking, negative mind, and negative thoughts, then I will be means I will be blissful. Okay, so for your development I am trying to making this video. I am trying to make this video. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video is useful to you, then give a like to this video, and if you find this channel is useful to you, then you can subscribe this channel. And continually I am uploading this type of videos and education related video. So enjoy watching all types of video that are already uploaded in my channels, and I would upload continually the videos.